We are gathered here today to celebrate the legacy of Horrace Windfall, the CEO of WealthMaxx, who has passed recently. We are gathered here today to divide up the legacy of Horrace Windfall, the CEO of WealthMaxx, who has passed recently. Hey Tina, you're here early. Well, there's lots of work to do. It's been so busy lately, and now with Grandpa passing, we've got a lot to get our heads around. We'll be all right. We'll just take each thing as it comes. I don't think you need to get too stressed over it all. I don't think you understand. This business is not in good shape. Grandpa, he was the powerhouse behind all of this, making it work. And without him, it's going to be really hard to pull this back into line again. I'm not really sure what's going on, so I'm going to have to look into it. No, there's ups and downs, swings and roundabouts. We'll just take each day as it comes. We should be fine. No, you do not understand. Look here. In the last 5 years, we've been making less and less net profit. We're almost at zero. We're going to start running in the negative soon. We need to do something. We? What do you mean we? It's up to us to make a go of it. I think you misunderstood. Grandpa left it to us as the value, but of course he meant for me to run it. I'm the man. Oh, don't be so silly. If he wanted it to be run by you, he would have made that clear when he said that we both own it together. And he certainly didn't do that. Maybe you should talk to Dad. And maybe you should ask him if Granddad knew about percentages. Ring, ring. Hello. Oh, hi Luke. How are you? I was okay until Tina started driving me crazy. She thinks that she's going to run the company with me. And? Well, of course she's not. Surely she knows that she's just going to have to do what she's told. Luke, I can't believe you're my son sometimes. Can you get Dad? Okay, I'll go put him on. Hi, Luke. Looks like you've gone and upset your mother again. I'm being driven crazy at the moment. I think that Granddad intended to leave the company for me to run. The money is just there for Tina if we sell the company. Surely Granddad meant me to run it. I'm not so sure. What's Tina say? Tina's no help. She says ask if Granddad knew about percentages. Of course he knew about percentages. If Granddad had meant you to be in charge of the company, he would have made you 51% owner and Tina 49% owner. But he didn't. He made you 50-50. So Tina and you are going to have to figure it out yourselves. So, what did Dad say? He said you can be my secretary. What did Dad really say? He said we're going to have to figure it out and make it work together. This is driving me crazy. What's up, Luke? Oh, Tina's driving me mad. Hi, Mum. How you going? Oh, I just came to see how you two are getting along. Seems you might be having a little bit of difficulty, so I thought I'd let you know that I think you two are going to do a great job. Well, with you being smart and hardworking, you should be able to make this company turn around and make a good profit. So, while it's having a little bit of trouble at the moment, I thought I'd offer to buy 5% of the shares each. So, I can give you $10,000 right now, Luke. And how about you, Tina? Would you like $10,000? I really could use $10,000 at the moment. I suppose it'd help me focus on just getting things up and running, but I'm not so sure about this, Mum. Tina, don't stop her. It's a good idea. And yes, I can definitely do with $10,000. Do you, Luke, agree to sell 5% of the company to your mother for $10,000? Yes, I do. And do you, Tina? Yes, I do. Well, sign the paperwork and the deal is done. Now that you each own 45% of the company and I own 10% of the company, I'm able to make either one of you the controlling owner of all the shares just by giving you my 10%. And that's exactly what I intend to do if you two don't get along. If you're fighting, if you're being obstructive, if you're not being helpful, I'm going to give the 10% to the other person. So get along, kids. Oh, that drives me crazy. Mum's got us in such a bind. Well, I think she was clever about it. Looks like we're going to have to get along. Now let's talk about how we're going to make this whole thing work together. I'm going home.